Hi, my name is Sadia Sabaa. I'm 22 years old. I am a medical student and an Instagram influencer, and I'm from Bihar. Talking about my journey with vitiligo, to be honest, it was very tough initially because I was just 3 when I got vitiligo, and due to social stigmas regarding vitiligo, I had to go through a lot. Due to all this, I really don't have a good childhood memories because it all went into going to different doctors, seeking different medical advices. But then there was one good day when I was 16 years old, then I realized that why am I trying to do this? Why can't I just accept myself the way I am? Yeah, it was a quite tough decision, but thankfully my parents, my friends, everybody supported me in that. And that was the life-changing decision. After that, everything drastically changed, and yeah, that was, I believe, was the best decision in my life.